Hey, if you head over to YouTube and search how to grow fast on YouTube, you'll find tons of channels covering this topic, including those by big creators. However, amidst all these channels, there's one that stands out decoding it. This channel has amassed 10,000 subscribers with just 7 videos, and currently there are only 11 videos with 56.9k subscribers. Another noteworthy channel is Tube Sensei, which has only 46 videos but has 302k subscribers. How are these channels achieving such rapid growth, especially considering they were all created just 3 months ago? Then how did they grow so early? Are they leveraging some sort of secret strategy or benefiting from a fortunate coincidence? I've taken the time to analyze and study all these channels, and here's I found 4 strategies that they use. The third strategy is crucial for the success of these channels. The first key strategy is selecting the right niche. These channels have gained popularity because they cater to existing demands on YouTube. The topics covered by Decoding YT, Tube Sensei, and similar channels are quite popular on YouTube. If these channels had chosen a different niche, they may not have gained as much traction. Their chosen niche has allowed them to tap into a large community of viewers. If you doubt the validity of these points, then see the clip that What a Big Creator Says.
बट देन मेरा जो पुराना चैनल था उसकी पोटेंशियल ऑडियंस बहुत ज़्यादा लिमिटेड थी, तो उस चैनल पे काम करना बिल्कुल भी रिवॉर्डिंग नहीं था बिकॉज ऑफ लेस ग्रोथ. एंड सो आई डिसाइडेड टू ट्राई समथिंग न्यू एंड ओपन अ चैनल अबाउट यूट्यूब ग्रोथ.
If you wonder why I couldn't start this endeavor sooner, it's because when he initially launched his channel, it lacked an audience strategy to showcase his videos. He adopted one of the most common strategies on YouTube, which is to ride the wave of trending jack. He was aware that YouTube had recently implemented TikTok's algorithm, which boosts the initial video of each creator. By taking full advantage of this, he created his first video on the Algro. Algro is one of the most popular creator on YouTube. That's why it quickly became one of the most viral. The Decoding YT attracted Algro's audience, leading to his first video gaining more views and setting off a cycle of increasing popularity, with the first video reaching 100k views. It's important to note that simply creating a video on a famous YouTube channel won't necessarily make it go viral. The first video on a new channel could potentially make the channel popular, just like in the case of Decoding YT's video on Algro. However, simply opening a gaming channel and following trends won't guarantee rapid popularity. Quality content is key, and even YouTube's algorithm won't promote videos that lack substance. Strategy number 2 is about quality content. When it comes to high quality content, one crucial aspect is the thumbnail. It's widely known that a key factor in a video going viral is the CTI click-through rate. The average YouTube video has a click-through rate of 2 to 7%, but professional channels can reach up to 11%, mainly due to their professional looking thumbnails. You might be wondering how to create a professional thumbnail like the professionals do. While I plan to make a separate video on this in the future, for now, I'll share these 3 key points. Firstly, simplicity is key. Instead of trying to cram as much information as possible into a thumbnail, aim to minimize the elements. Just look at the professional thumbnails. They typically include only 5 elements, with the font and text being the most prominent. Secondly, consider the color combination. It's essential to have a good understanding of how fonts and colors work together. Using the right color combination is crucial, as using the wrong colors can result in a dull and uninteresting thumbnail. Stick to using just 2 or 3 catching colors such as red, green, and yellow. The professionals have also been very selective with the colors, and so should you. It's essential to align with the font. Let's move on to the most crucial point, which is providing information. While you can adhere to the aforementioned guidelines, if your videos lack valuable information, your channel will become obsolete. Viewers watch videos for the valuable insights they provide. If you create videos solely for the purpose of generating income and views, your channel may not succeed. By examining any of their videos, you will notice that they offer comprehensive information without unnecessary introductions, conclusions, or meaningless dialogue. If your goal is to attract views and make money, you may end up creating lengthy, boring videos that ultimately harm your channel. If you prioritize providing quality content to your audience, you will create valuable videos that your audience will appreciate. This may result in slightly shorter videos, but don't be concerned because your main goal is to deliver value. Viewers are seeking value from your content, so focus on that. Channels that offer valuable content, even in their shortest videos, have audiences that anticipate and appreciate the value in each new video. This anticipation drives high viewership, and the YouTube algorithm noticed that the viewers' interest increased in this video, and the algorithm started to promote this video. If you think that having good content and information is sufficient for making our video go viral, then you might be overlooking the crucial factor of voiceover. It is important to consider that in our society, there are many older people who see the boys running on the street and call them to their side and inspire them in life. But often we don't actively engage with them because their voiceovers can be dull and uninteresting. If you want your video to captivate your audience, your voice should be engaging and hold their attention throughout. Watching big creators' channel, you'll notice that their voice is confident, articulate, and emotionally charged, captivating their their viewers and keeping them engaged. Video editing is the vital final component of content creation. Channels with a strong following often receive numerous comments about their editing skills, which play a significant role in retaining subscribers. The concluding segment of the content is about video editing, and upon visiting the recording channel, it becomes evident that most comments revolve around inquiries related to the editing process. Subscribers are particularly drawn to the editing skills, with their engagement influenced by the use of stock images, stock videos, and text within the videos. These channels adeptly utilize motion capture to maintain viewer attention, resulting in high audio retention and overall positive reception of their videos. Those channels' video editing prowess significantly contributes to their popularity and appeal. Does the Decoding YT or other big creators not know if they create a lengthy video then they gain more attention? However, they made a strategic decision based on the knowledge that his target audience is primarily youth whose attention spans have been affected by platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Consequently, he opted to create a short video which garnered a significant number of views. Thus, the video performed very well, leading to a high audience retention and YouTube taking note of this data. YouTube observed that viewers were watching the entire video after clicking on it, leading them to conclude that people were spending more time on his channel. This, in turn, prompted YouTube to increase its promotion of its channel. Had he created a 10-minute or longer video initially, it's possible that it wouldn't have gained as much traction. This potential mistake was averted. How do they manage to create a demand for each of their videos? At the end of the video, they produce their initial 2 videos and then base their third video on the same theme, which can be promoted ahead of their previous video. This encourages viewers to watch 2 to 3 more videos on their channel, increasing the likelihood of them returning. And this is strategy number 3. I'm about to share something that all YouTubers don't do, but 1% of them do, leading to their ultimate success fostering an emotional connection. Emotional connection is our last and final strategy for YouTube growth. Every day, thousands of channels are established on YouTube and millions of videos are uploaded. You've likely subscribed to many channels, but do you watch all of their videos? You don't. Just watch the videos of a few creators for no reason there's an emotional connection with them. So yeah, that's it. If you find any problem, you can leave a comment and I will try to answer your comment.